Hi everyone, it's Allen with Earthglow. Welcome back to another new video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a thermal printer that I recently got. Now, I've been hearing a lot about these and I thought, you know what, maybe this could change my shipping label game. And I'd also been seeing people printing a lot of stickers for their business with this guy. So this is the MUNBYN 130 and it is a USB printing label or shipping label printer. It says Bluetooth, however, that's really only if you're using it through the app. If you're printing like from your Shopify, it's going to be connected via a USB cord. So I was just setting this up and I wanted you to kind of see the process. They have like a QR code that you scan and then it allows you to download their app if you did want to try printing through that. Me personally, I'm old school and I also want to use my Canva where I design all my stuff, like my stickers for this. And so that requires, for me personally, my computer. So you just select your printer from this app. If you did want to try to print directly from it, I know they have a way that you can like make little sticker designs like these, like basic thank you stickers. I just like mine to be much more customized and I basically like to just import them from Canva personally, but this is kind of straight from their app if you did want to give it a try. And I'll have this printer linked below for you guys if you wanted to check it out. It's around $100, I want to say. And then they have this little QR code where you're able to scan whatever device you're using it on. And it takes you to this instructional video, basically just showing you how to put the cord into the back of the printer and just some really basic steps. But I would definitely recommend watching this one. It's definitely helpful. Now for printing thermal labels, the default setting is this 4x6 shipping label, and this is me printing these directly from my Shopify. I just had to black out the customer information here, but you can see how easy it is. You literally just select a thermal label when you're in your Shopify store, and you can just print directly like this. You just kind of have to guide it out because when you're printing a lot of labels at once, they can kind of get bunched up on each other, but this guy connects super easy. Now, I wanted to also show you these thermal labels for stickers. Now, you're able to go in here and kind of adjust these prongs to whatever size sticker you have. Now, these are a 2x2 circle, and you do have to get stickers specifically for a thermal printer. I'll try to have a link to these particular really fun rainbow ones below. One thing to keep in mind with these is they're only able to print black. So for me personally, I wanted something with a more colored background. Now you just go in and you just have to change the setting to whatever size sticker you have. So in this case, I was dealing with a 2x2, so that's what I switched it to. And I also wanted to just give a warning label a try. Now, some people have said that you typically don't want to use this for warning labels just because it is heat and they can actually disappear because it's printing with heat. It's not using actual ink. So it uses a special paper and chemical process in order to get the print on the page. But I will say I've used these on my candles and I haven't found that they have disappeared. I did give it a try on some of my Pride candles this year. And, but that's just my 2 cents. I don't let my candles get to like the maximum heat limits or anything like that. But I also wanted to show you guys, they have a bunch of different settings that you're able to go in and kind of change. You really only need to switch this to the 2x2, but there's a lot of options for customizing. And I did find that this prints really cleanly. You're going to see right here. Super nice text on these guys. And overall, I was impressed. And then I'm also going to show you how I print thank you stickers with this. This is what I would definitely recommend it for. But definitely for these thank you stickers, I just designed them in Canva. And you can see how beautifully these come out on this machine. So I will have this guy linked below. This is not a sponsored video or an affiliated video, but it definitely has changed my shipping label game. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sending all of you peace, love, and light. Wishing all of you happy candle making. And don't forget to give this one a thumbs up if you did enjoy. I would like to take the time to thank my patrons for their incredible support. A massive shout out goes to Wendy, Nicole Rott, Nancy with All About Me Beauty Bar, Merle, Brad with Neon City Scents, Michelle, Paula, Zahara with Crystalline Candle Co., Julie with Belux Candle Co., Jennifer with Bea Essentials, Selena with Banbury Street Creations, Sue, Nick, Bruce, Flavia, Jennifer with Bittersweet Candle Co., Danielle, Anitra with Ninth and Maxwell, Matthew, Jindy, Lisa, Elizabeth, Carol, Cheryl with Soap Spice Cheryl, Maya, Losa, Luzdari, Daichi, John with Past Sense Candles, Angela, Amber, Bluegrass Bath and Candle Co., Marketer with The Beat Institute, Allie, Carla, Todd with Cold Creek Candle Co., Krista, SS, Karen with River Birch Soaps, Kina with Kijoli, Angela, Amanda, Denise with Grumblegeist Candle Co., She's More, Cindy, Kim, Teresa, Frida, Shiromi, J Creative P, Colette, Nicole, Stella, Leanne, Martha, Angela, Jamie, Chadwick, Z, Mabel, Arev, Bobby, Jamie, Amy with Candle Emporium, Stephanie, Honey, Terry, Maria, Genevieve, Gracie, Yolanda, Tonya, Susan, Irene, Rolanda with Mason Marzette, Megan, Melissa, Ursulette with Ursulette's Beauty Secrets, Kelly, TCM with Ava Bryceco, Lois, Tia, Victoria with The Sacred Prayer, Valerie, Stacy with Firewick with Me, Belinda, Rhonda, Smadar, Duchess Luxury Creations, Juliet, Carla, Crystal with Indigo Scents Candle Co., Anika, Kim with Kimberly's Candle Co., Kim, Angelic, Tia, Chris, Miss S, Shakira, Tiffany, Kim, BN, Lizette, Chandra, Pat, Chickadee Company, Tara, Indigo, SJ, Gina, Emily, Sandra, Heidi, Sunday, Michelle, Lisa, Angela, Kelly, Angela, Natalie with Walter's Wicks, Sherry, Cynthia, Denise, Sonia, Natasha, Aziza's Closet, Shambliss Candles and Soaps, Sabina, Raphael with Alondra's Candle Co., Desi, Kim, Abby Lane Candle Co., Christina, Tommy with Rose and Crown Soap, Tara, Joy, Katie, Diane, Kelly, Judith, Sherry, Diane, Courtney with 17 December's Candle Co., Stacy, Yvette, Teresa with All About Serenity, Janetta, Monica, Nick, Tim, Diane with Todafor, Anne with Sweet Annie's Natural Skincare, Jennifer with Honey's House Handcrafted, Michelle, Maria, Sarah, Alex, Roslyn with Hers and Hers Candle Co., Susan, Shaylee, Ia, Christopher, Louvre, Brianna with Be Home Dispensary, Megan, Victoria, Ash, Nicole, Virginia, Kathy, Melania, Susie, Aaron, Regina with Adobe Rose Botanicals, Scott, Dana with MJ's Candle Creations, Leah, Stacy, Donna, Jennifer with The Clean Theory Candle Co., Maria, Mary, Zoe, Amber, Brandy, Peppa, Phil, Georgiana with Tropic Candle, Gazelle with Bozaifa, Helen, Brian with Light and Life Candles, Carla, Linda, Angela, Jane, Thomas, Anna, Jane with Peyton's Place Soapery, Evelyn with Divergent Glow, Tara with Cotton Picking Creations, Lynn, Martha, Kat, Danielle, Janelle, Sylvia with Two Chicks with Sense, Karen, Tammy with Nudie Bar Soap Co., Sandra, Karen, Crystal, Margaret with Sista Diva Design, Lori, Marcus, Anna with Ren and Rita, Devin, Christine, Melissa, Donna, Martha with Peachberry Candles, Neolin, Magnus, Kenneth, Michael, Nada, Joss, Raquel, Labushi, Rusnaini, Margie, La Sonia, Mariah, Regina, Carmen with Isabel and Soaping Co., Jen, Kels, Bridget, Patricia, Carol, Shante, Jenna, Jennifer, Angela, George, Dahlia, Wendy, Penny, Amy with Grace and Light Candle Co., Sabina with Butterfly and Lotus Candle Co., Gabrielle, Bryn, Scott, Fawn, Martha, Cheryl, Angela, Meg, Turtle Creativity, Renee, Catherine, Denisha, Stephen, Stefani, Karen, Charlie, Octavio, Marilyn, Peggy, Mariah, Orion, Vivian, Sylvia with Heaven Sent Candles, Roslyn, Joyce, Belle, Roy Miz, Nora, Tamara, Catherine, Nicole, Ashley, Dylan, Freaky, Tim, Amy with Scarlet Lake Candle Co., Linda, Tanisha, Yolisi with Hobana Chandlery, Danielle, Kelly, Jan, Gigi, Angelica with Centilli, Katrina, Evilis, Catherine, Brenda, Charlene, Jay, Theo, Kenny, and Brandon. Your support is deeply appreciated.